everybody, welcome back to my channel. This review is on the Black Rapid Curve Breathe strap. It is the best lens possible for large telephoto wildlife and sport lenses like this 150 to 600. It's about 7 pounds with a camera body on it, maybe a little bit more if you have a battery grip for it. I've had this strap now for about 2 years. It has been the best thing ever for a strap. It beats the stock strap that comes with your camera body when you buy it, mostly because that stock strap, when you put it on, goes around your neck, and it puts a lot of pressure on your vertebrae. And on long days, even with a small lens and your camera body, there's a lot of pressure in there, and you get a sore neck after about an hour or two, and it kind of just ruins the whole experience for you. Now with these shoulder straps, it kind of makes you carry the lens and camera body as if you had like a satchel on your hip. It makes it so much easier, doesn't degrade your range of motion, your shooting response, or anything like that. It's hands down the best decision possible. There is other straps out there that have like a little attachment that attaches to your chest so that you have to walk around with these big lenses strapped to you like this. That feels like it would get in your way of your arms if you're hiking or biking. And you can wear this also with your backpack on. Doesn't really get in the way of that either. Black Rapid does make a pack strap that goes from your shoulder strap across your chest to the bottom of the other strap, and you can use that in conjunction with this if you wanted to carry 2 cameras with your backpack on. But 9 times out of 10, your second body will probably be in your bag with whatever lens you decided on for that. And it attaches to the bottom of the camera, to your lens foot or the camera body, with this screw-in, we'll just call it a D-ring. Screws in there, and then you have this attachment that clips into it with a safety screw on the swivel. So you can unscrew it, unclip it, and slide it off without unscrewing this. And you can put, you buy multiple of these little D-rings, put them on several different bodies, lenses, whatnot. Then you can just hot swap it real quick out of your bag, and just clip it back on, and away you go. Just make sure you screw it back on so you don't want your clip to accidentally hit a piece of brush or stick and open up and your camera come out and fall. That would not be ideal. Then always put your safety clip back over top, clip it in place. Now it does swivel as you're walking, so you don't really have a whole lot to worry about with that. Personally, when I'm using the 150 to 600 contemporary, I like to walk with the lens facing forward, so that as you're walking and your hip is right here, you don't accidentally bump all the switches on the side and mess up your settings as you're walking unknowingly. And also your focus lock is on that side too. So if you want to keep your lens from extending while hiking, it doesn't really hurt to have that locked in. Now the Black Rapid Breathe, it is for the right side, for your right hip, right-handed shooters. I believe Black Rapid does make left-handed straps as well. So hang on your left side, grab it from the left, raise it to your left, like a rifle. But mine is the right-handed variant, so whenever you go to put it on, quick and simple, pick it up with the R facing forward, put your right arm through, put it over your head, pull it all the way forward, so you have this back strap, and slide it over. That way it doesn't get caught underneath and you start struggling and look ridiculous. Put it where you want it, then just reach behind you, grab that extra strap, pull it forward all the way. It does auto loosen. Clip it in. Place it on your shoulder where you want it to be, and then just pull the tab to tighten it. I don't ever really leave it to the same tightness every time I use it, because depending on if you're in a t-shirt, a jacket in the wintertime, windbreaker and stuff, you have different lengths. This makes it easier to pull it all the way out first, clip it, then tighten it. Then you can make it comfortable, fix your shirt, jacket, etc. And then it fits like a charm. Another thing I really like is it has these clips so that you can keep it from sliding forward or backward. If you're walking around hiking, I always leave it up all the way, so if you see something, you can pick the camera up real easy. But if you're biking and you don't want the camera flopping around all over the place, because even if you're biking, it will stay right on your hip. But what you have to do is move these clips all the way down against the camera, and it'll keep it in one spot. So you can't really lift it up though. But it's really good for like biking, or if you're on an ATV and stuff. It's fantastic for that. So right here we got my backlight bag, 36 liter, and you just put it on like you normally would. Put your shoulder straps on first, and then for up top, because you have the strap from the Black Rapid, and you don't want to interfere with you using and operating your camera, put the shoulder clip under it so that it has free range of motion. You have nothing to worry about. Then for the hip straps, if you have them, you can just put them underneath the Black Rapid so the Rapid's outside. Then just clip it together. You still have your normal range of motion on your camera strap. I did mention earlier, the Black Rapid does make a shoulder strap for your bag. I will probably do a review on that at another time, but it just clips right up here, runs across this way, and then clips to the bottom of the opposite strap for the backpack, the shoulder strap. That way, if you wanted to, you can run the pack strap and the cross-body normal Black Rapid strap that I just showed you at the same time, and run dual camera bodies if you wish during hiking, whatever activity you're doing. But I would give it a solid 5 out of 5 for what it is. It is a little pricey. It's about $70, $75. You can get cheaper. But I would recommend this to everybody that has a large lens or plans to do a lot of hiking. But that's it. If you enjoyed the video, please comment, like, subscribe, all that good jazz. And I will see you in the next review.